Gemma AI is Google's lightweight open source AI model designed for developers who want powerful performance without heavy computing costs. But is it actually worth using in 2026? Let's break it down. What is Gemma AI? Gemma AI is a family of open models built by Google DeepMind. It is based on the same research behind Gemini, but optimized to run efficiently on smaller devices on low resource environments. That means you can use it for chatbots, content generation, coding help, and AI powered tools without needing massive infrastructure. Key features: Gemma AI comes in different sizes, like 2B and 7B parameter models, making it flexible depending on your needs. It supports text generation, code assistance, question answering, lightweight AI applications. It's also open weight, meaning developers can fine tune it for specific use cases. Pros: first, it's a free and open source, which is huge advantage compared to closed AI systems. Second, it's efficient. It runs faster and uses less memory than larger models. Third, it's customizable, so developers can fine tune it for apps, tools, or research projects. And finally, it's backed by Google DeepMind, which adds strong credibility and ongoing development. Cons: however, Gemma AI isn't perfect. It is less powerful than larger models like GPT-4 or Gemini Ultra when it comes to complex reasoning. It can also produce less detailed responses, especially for advanced tasks like deep analysis or long form writing. And since it's developer focused, it's not beginner friendly if you are just looking for a simple AI chatbot. Final verdict: Gemma AI is a solid choice if you are a developer or someone building lightweight AI applications. It's fast, flexible, and free, but it is not meant to compete directly with top tier large language models. So if you need performance and customization over raw intelligence, Gemma AI or Gemma AI is worth trying in 2026. That is the full breakdown. If you want more AI tool reviews like this, make sure to subscribe and stay updated. Thanks for watching and do not forget the like. Goodbye.